Two kinds of creatures are found on this planet. One is cold blooded and another one is hot blooded. By nature, we human beings are hot blooded creatures. In Ayurveda, prime importance is given to this heat and called it as a life saving element. Absence of heat or fire is said to be the absence of life. When body heat gets depleted, person no longer lives. It's a sign of death. Body heat is produced and maintained by pith in our body. This pith is responsible for digestion and all the metabolic activities of our body. That which heats up or produces the heat in our body is called as a pith. Pith body type. Like other two doshas, pith also forms our body types. When pith predominantly forming one's physical constitution, then he or she is said to have pith prakriti or pith body type. This formation occurs at the time of conception and never changes till the last breath. In combination with the other doshas, pith forms four kinds of body types. They are pith, vat pith, pith kapha and vat pith kapha. Pith body type is considered as a moderate type of body constitution among the three basic body types. Pith represents the fire element in our physical existence. It is also said to be a representative of sun in our body. Activities of pith are said to be similar to that of the fire and sun outside the human body. Pith qualities. Pith is a combination of fire and water elements. Hence, it has some specific qualities like unctuousness, intense, deep penetrating, hot, light, foul smelling, flowing, and liquid. Locations of pith in our body. Pith is generally located in the stomach, plasma, blood, lymph, eyes, skin, and in the sweat. It is predominantly located in the middle portion of our body, between our heart and navel. It is a heat zone of body where digestive fire is located. It contains digestive structures including stomach, duodenum, small intestines, and pancreas. Functions of pith. It activates the proper digestion of food. It enables the proper perception of visual objects through our eyes. It helps in maintaining normal temperature of our body. It provides normal complexion to an individual. It is responsible for manifestation of boldness, pleasure, and tranquility. Pith dominancy in a day and in the different seasons. Pith is predominant during a noon part of day. At daytime, extreme heat is present in the nature. This favors increase of pith because pith also is hot in nature. Pith gradually subsides naturally by evening when coldness sets in. Accumulation of pith takes place in a rainy season. Aggravation of pith takes place in an autumn season. And if aggravation of pith is handled with a proper seasonal regimen, pith gets pacified all by itself in the upcoming early winter season. Pith relationship with tissues and excreta. It has a residence and resident relationship with the blood tissue and sweat. It is mainly located in the blood and sweat. Pith is in an abnormal state. It can contaminate the blood and sweat, which results later in many disorders. Pith and age. Pith is predominant during a middle age of a person. Whatever body type of a person, Pith is high during a middle part of life. Pith and digestion. When Pith influences the fire, it becomes intense, strong, and all-consuming. It is called Tikshna Agni in an Ayurvedic term. This type of fire quickly digests any kind of food. If it is not controlled by an individual, then Pith and fire will burn the food into ashes rather than digesting it. This will lead to insufficient nutrition to body cells consequently, leading to many disorders generated by the Pith. Burnouts in the body and inflammatory disease are some of the disorders originated by the vitiated Pith in our body. Pith and bowel movement. When bowel movements are dominated and governed by Pith, it is called as a soft bowel. These people can pass their stool easily and effortlessly. Stools are generally soft and smooth in consistency. Person may also have a loose stools sometimes. Bowel movement may begin even after drinking a warm water or a milk. Pith and tests. Bitter and astringent tests have opposite qualities as those of Pith. Therefore, they pacifies the Pith. Pungent, sour and salt tests have similar qualities as those of Pith. Therefore, they increase the Pith. More interesting things about the Pitta Dosha or fire energy are revealed in the upcoming videos.